Hello, welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. This week's video was an unplanned video. My sander's broken, so I've been out and bought a new one. I got this from my local Screwfix for £29.99. This is my Parkside PMFS 200B2 sander. I've had this a few years. It's been a cracking little machine, but sadly it's now broken, so I've had to replace it. I've been and bought this Mac Allister MEOS300. It's a 300 watt orbital sander. Now on the Screwfix website it says it's a random orbital sander. On the box it just says it's an orbital sander. So let's open it up and take a look. So in the box we get the sander itself, a dust bag, some sort of dust extraction port. We also get the instructions, which clearly states orbital sander, and we get one 125mm disc, which is an 80 grit. So let's take a look at it. Doesn't feel too bad in the hand. It's got a nice handle on the front, something my old sander didn't have. You can adjust the angle of this handle by unscrewing this knob. It comes with this dust extraction port, which I'm assuming is for your shop vac. That simply slots in the back and twist. Same with a little dust bag, slot it in and twist, and that's it. So let's give it a go and see how well it works. The dust extraction seems to be quite good. I'm pleased with that. So far, doesn't seem to be too bad. It's doing a nice enough job. I'll use this for a while, and if I have any issues or problems, I'll revisit in another video. Thanks for watching.